Don't break it. Don't break. If you don't have to, don't. Hi, welcome to my channel, Shay's Mom Life. Today, I'm gonna show you how to take off the screw from the shower handle, okay, without breaking it. I'm gonna save you lots of money and for you not to break anything. So stay tuned, okay? Okay, so let me show you. Everybody was having an issue or on YouTube on everything that I was trying to find is how to take the screw off from the shower handle. The one I'll show you guys in a minute. I did not want to break it. I did not want to do any other damage. So I was trying different types of tools, and I'll show you in a little bit which tools I was trying. I was like, let me go to a store called Harbor Freight, and the tools there, they're not expensive. So I was like, let me try there first to see if I can find something that I kind of had in mind that I needed. And so yeah, but let me show you. Everybody is having some type of issue to take off this part right here. Here, let me zoom in. So this screw, okay, so we tried so many things, and also because there's not that much of space, or yeah, pretty much space, you can't really do much. I had to shut off the water first because it was leaking, and that's how much it was leaking. And so I turned it so that way I can get a better view and see what I need. And I was trying different type of tools and everything, but nothing worked. Okay, so then I went to Harbor Freight and I found this. Okay, this is what I got in Harbor Freight. I don't remember if they had individual ones, but I found this as only, I think it was only like $7, and it comes with these hex keys, and you need a hex key to take off the screw that is the shower handle, should I say. To be honest, I did not know what size it needed, so I was like, because there's other set, you know, there's another set, and I was like, ooh, like I don't know the size for the screw that is in there. So I was like, you know what, let me just wing it, you know, because I'm like, I don't know what size we need. Okay, so I was like, you know what, let's just risk it for the biscuit, right? Because we need to fix it. And then on top of that, the other shower handle also broke. So I was like, oh my god, now we have two. So I'm like, okay, we need to go to the store because we bought one shower handle to replace, but then the other one freaking broke. So I was like, oh my god, whatever. Okay, so let me get back to it. This, I tried it before I make this video, but this is what it looks like. Okay, it comes with different sizes. I didn't even open the whole thing. I just took one by one. So this is so this one didn't fit, it was too small. The second one, the 7/64s, that's the one that it's gonna work. That's this one. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, so I did try it and it worked. So you don't have to break anything, saw anything, or whatever. Like, I'm hoping that this works for others too, because like I said, it was so hard to do it with the other keys and other tools. I could just not do it. But this one, see how it is? It's long. Hold on, let me get my other hand available. So this one's long. Okay, first of all, it's long, and it has a good grip, and it was easy to, like, it worked like freaking butter. Because with the other keys, I was like, why is it not freaking turning? But no, with this, I was able to turn it. And I didn't take it all the way because I was like, oh my god, it worked. Let me make a freaking video. So maybe it'll save other people from not breaking shit, you know? Because I'm like, why? If there's a solution, why, right? if it doesn't need to be broken, don't break it. See how it's like, it's coming out. And end is out. Look at that. It's out, guys. Oh my God. I am so glad that I did not have to, let me put it back down, that I did not have to freaking break it. And look how it looks in there. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so now I gotta figure out if what I need to replace it or what I need to do. I haven't gone that far because my first step was not to break this and to stop it from leaking, because look how much it was leaking. Now I gotta figure out, but now you have an easier access without breaking anything, and now I can get to this screw and see why it's still leaking, if I need to replace the whole thing or what. But that way you don't have to break anything. And look, I took it off without breaking anything, and I hope that helps a lot of people. But this, it worked like butter. Like, get it. Don't break it. Don't break. If you don't have to, don't. I saved you lots of monies. Tell me in the comments, because I saved you some money. All right, and let me know if you have any questions. Just leave it down in the comment. Peace. Bye. And I brought the other shower handle from the other restroom, and the other one just came off, so I need to see why it just came off. But this is how the other one looks. It came off with the everything. Like, I don't know if it actually broke or what, but it came off. And this is the other one. Like, if I unscrew it, the black thing doesn't come off, and this one did. That's from our other restroom, which is weird. So I gotta see.